Dr. Sridhar, back to you with another video session on some of the important problems, the sensitivity calculations. So, how the sensitivity can be calculated. Now, let us understand the sensitivity calculations with one or two simple problems. So, in today's video session, I am going to discuss about various problems which carefully addresses the sensitivity of the given open loop as well as the closed loop control systems. So I hope with the help of these simple problems we can understand the effectiveness of the feedback on the sensitivity. So first the problem is find the sensitivity of a given system with respect to variations in k and also magnitude of the sensitivity for k is equal to 1 and omega is equal to 5 radians per second. So in this data, in this problem, clearly the closed loop control system they have given, that is R, and this is the feedback is negative, and the unity feedback system. So this is nothing but the unity feedback. So that is nothing but the H of S is nothing but the 1. And forward path transfer function is 25k by S into S plus 5. So this is the forward path transfer function. Output is C of S, input is the R of S. So this negative means this is the negative feedback control systems. So this is the description about what they have given in the problem. And here also he has given the k is also 1 and omega is equal to 5 radians per second. So what is this S? S is nothing but generally it is represented as j omega. The actual value of S is nothing but this is sigma plus j omega. But this real parameter, this is the real magnitude, can be ignored in the majority of the cases. So the S-plane value is nothing but this is the imaginary axis value, that is S is equal j into omega. So first let us calculate the closed loop transfer function, because they have given is forward path transfer function as 25k divided by S into S plus 5. But it is having unity feedback. So with these two values, let us calculate closed loop transfer function, that is 25k divided by S into S plus 5 divided by 1 plus 25k divided by S into S plus 5 into 1. So this value is nothing but 25k divided by S square plus 5s plus 25k. So this is nothing but if you are taking the LCM and you can cancel the common terms from the numerator and the denominator. So finally the closed loop transfer function becomes 25k divided by S square plus 5s plus 25k. So this is the closed loop transfer function. So next sensitivity. Sensitivity of what? So sensitivity of the overall transfer function. This M is nothing but the overall transfer function with respect to any system variations. So what he is asking us to calculate, find the sensitivity of the given system with respect to the variations in k. So he want to vary the k, and once the k is varied, then correspondingly or proportionally what could be the variations that overall transfer function will observe. So that is nothing but the SMK. So that is nothing but dou m by m divided by dou k by k. Now if you are simplifying this, it will be k by m divided by dou m by dou k. So m is nothing but this one. So let us differentiate this whole overall transfer function with respect to the k. So finally we are going to get as, now if you are simplifying all this expression, now we are going to get as a S square plus 5s divided by S square plus 5s plus 25k. So this is the overall value. Now in this one, now he has clearly mentioned k is equal to 1. So this value is nothing but the SMK at k is equal to 1 is equals. Now wherever k is there, let us put in place of k 1. So that is S square plus 5s divided by S square plus 5s plus 25. So this is the overall transfer function. So this is by substituting k is equal to 1. So this one assumption is over. Next one he has given omega is equal to 5 radians per second. So now in place of S, let us substitute S is equal to j omega. So j omega whole square plus 5 into j omega divided by the whole thing if you could take. Now here this value is, we require only real value. So that's why now minus 25 plus j 25 divided by minus 25 plus j 25 plus 25. Sum of the common terms you can cancel, and finally now we are going to get the sensitivity is nothing but the root 2, that is 1.414. So this is the sensitivity at omega is equal to 5 radians per second. So this is the way how we are going to calculate the sensitivity of any given system. So next problem, the negative feedback control system has the forward path transfer function as g of s is equal to 10 by s into s plus 1. So while the feedback path transfer function h of s is 5, determine the sensitivity of the closed loop transfer function with respect to g and h at omega is equal to 1 radians per second. Here also it was clearly given h of s is 5. In the previous problem it was 1. Here omega is equal to 1. There they have given 5. So now otherwise the procedure and calculation is same. For the given closed loop system, g of s is equal to 10 by s into s plus 1, h of s is equal to 5. Let us calculate the overall transfer function T of s is equal to g of s by 1 plus g of s into h of s. So g of s is 10 by s into s plus 1 divided by 1 plus 10 by s into s plus 1 into 5. So finally the value is 10 by s square plus s plus 50. So the sensitivity of T of s with respect to g of s is given by 1 by 1 plus g of s into h of s. Now the same thing if you are, so this is 1 by 1 plus 10 by s into s plus 1 into 5. Otherwise if it is not possible to remember this particular formula, so let us derive this value. So STG is nothing but the dou t by t divided by dou g by g. So this value is nothing but the g by t into dou t by dou g. So like this also you can do this. You need not remember so many formulas. So otherwise if you capable to remember this formula, it's well and good. Otherwise you can derive this particular formula only by seeing this expression. STG is nothing but the superscripted differentiation with respect to the subscripted differentiation. So if you are substituting this value, now 1 by 1 plus g of s is equal to 10 by s into s plus 1, h of s is 5. So finally s into s plus 1 divided by s square plus s plus 50. So this is the sensitivity expression. So what is the omega value they have given? It is a omega is equal to 1. Then s is equal to j omega. Let if we are substituting now, finally what we are going to get is the for the value of omega is equal to 1. So STG is equal to 0.02885. So that is nothing but the just 2.2 percentage or 2 percentage, 2.885 percentage. So this is the sensitivity. So the sensitivity T of s with respect to h of s is given by, so already you can also calculate this STH is nothing but the dou t by t by dou h by g. So this is nothing but dou t by dou h into g by h. So this is the way of deriving the expression for STH is equal to minus g of s into h of s divided by 1 plus g of s into h of s. If you are substituting these values, now it is minus 50 divided by s square plus s plus 50. So again the same thing, replace s with j omega and substitute omega is equal to 1. So this value is nothing but the 1.02. So this is nothing but the 1 or 2 percentage. So the sensitivity is 1 or 2 percentage. So observation is nothing but it can be observed that STH is more than STG. That is the system is more sensitive to the variations in the H of S rather than G of S. So that's what we have discussed during our theory videos also. Now, if something went wrong in the feedback system, it highly influences the sensitivity. So that's why sensitivity is highly sensitive with respect to the feedback. But whereas in the forward path transfer function, if something went wrong, then sensitivity is well and good. So the last problem is find the sensitivity STK of transfer function that t is equal to 1 plus 2k divided by 3 plus 4k with respect to the parameter k. So here the transfer function they have given t and the variations he want to observe that now let us examine the t with respect to k. So that is nothing but the STK we have to determine how much this value. So STK is nothing but percentage change in t with respect to percentage change in k. So this is the value here. So that is nothing but the dou t by t divided by dou k by k. So this value is nothing but the k by t into dou t by dou k. So this is the value of the sensitivity. Now if you want to directly substitute these values, it's well and good. K is the parameter and t already we know the value of the t. Now, so finally what happens, we are going to get one expression. So find the expression for sensitivity, that is 2k by 3 plus 10k plus 8k square. So here if he has given, suppose if he is asking us to keep k is equal to 1, you can find out the STK directly straight away how much this value is. So this is how this sensitivity will influences and whatever the effect of feedback on the sensitivity calculations. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.
Like, share and subscribe. hit the bell icon for more updates.